Hello everyone, if you missed my last video, I am working on this, was actually a creative journal, but I'm making backgrounds for right now because that's what I can do. I finished this 2-page spread and I am using Happy Paper People's subscription box. So, this is still November 5th, and I still have all of this in here to go. So, I'm going to give it a try to make these 2 pages and see what I can do with it. Set this up over here. I'm not sure how this is going to work on this cardboard. I'm hoping that the spine's not ruptured because I really want to use that. I don't want this blank page hanging out there. But if it is, I'll use some of my book binding tape and fix it. And I'm going to have to go slow, guys. As y'all know, I'm recovering from a stroke, so I can't go very fast. Otherwise, I'm really going to mess it up. I want her full face to show. I don't want her to get covered. So, how do I want to do this? Maybe like so, and then I'll put something else at the bottom of it. I'm going to work on this side first because I believe it's going to be my most difficult one to cover. And I will have to use other things other than the subscription box simply because I'm not going to have enough stuff in here to do the full collage. I don't think. I'm going to try, but I'm not sure. I'll just lay it out and look at it and see what I can do. There's so much stuff in here. I don't want words on the same side, so bring this one over here. This is a fold out. I think I'm going to rip it and use it in different places because what I want to use it for, this won't serve as a writing surface. So, I am going to put it in pieces that I can use. Well, okay. Making a mess here. I think I won't take her up because I don't like the dark against the same colors against each other. So maybe I will puzzle her over this way some. Let's see. Now I have this packet here, and I'm not sure if it came in this box or not, but I may have put it in here when I was packing up in a hurry. So I'm going to go ahead and use it because it's here. And I want to use up as much of this as I can. I honestly don't remember without going back and looking at the video. It must have, because it's a lot of the same colors. So this will work nicely. I put this in here, like so. I like to kind of eyeball it first to see how it looks and change things around before I ever glue it down. I'm sorry guys, it's very frustrating for me, so I'm sure it's frustrating for you to watch, but I'm trying. Let's see. What do I want to put with it? Don't want so much of the same thing on one page, but it might have to be. It's kind of neat looking. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? Move the camera. There you go. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do my best to stop saying, put that there. And then, will that go up there? It might. Yeah, close enough. So, I don't really like this right here showing. It looks too blank. So how about I put a ticket across here, like so. A little better. I'm not going to win any prizes, but it's a little better. Okay, I have another piece of this I can use. Let's see. I'm trying to think of what would be going on this page and what colors would go with it while I'm putting it down, and I don't have a clue. Go in there and then there, and then I need a piece across the bottom of that. Kind of, sort of, but needs a background, which I can figure that out. So, I don't know. It's laid out. Oh, I have all of this still to cover. There you go. So it's on there, it just needs to be glued down and a background put under this one, and that dancing a jig over the placement of it, but it will work as a background for what I actually will be putting over top of it. Yeah. I still have stuff left in here. So, I will put this all back in the November box. And then, hopefully, that's a little better. I want to break that up some. It's just so. I know a lot of people like the dark colors. I am so used to working with bright colors that dark colors set me back a bit. Well, he shows through that, so that's what I want. Okay. So there is the next 2-page spread. And all I have to do now is glue it all together. So when I finish, it may not look like this. I may switch it up some. So I'm going to pause it, and I will be back and show you how I got it down. Okay, I have it glued down. I'm not sure this book is actually going to work for the project I want to do. I'll show you is the folding, because the spine was messed up when I got it. It's just not laying right when I go to fold it, and I'm not happy with that. So I may have to get something of a better quality, because this is really important to the project I want to do. And let's just say it could be an heirloom. Well, it will be passed down, but I think I'm going to order a better quality art journal that I can work in, that won't be causing all of this. And you know, if another one comes and the spine's messed up, I'll just go ahead and return it rather than trying. I could come back with some wet glue and put the places down that I'm not happy with, but I don't know. I just really don't know right now what I'm going to do as far as proceeding with this. I can go ahead and do it, only just not to the extent I planned, and do the other one in a different journal, because yeah, I'm not happy with this journal. I'm not happy with this book at all. So, and yes, I do have some pieces not glued down yet, because I knew I'd be gluing over top of it and it would lay down then. Let me think on this one, and I'll let you know in the next project. But I'm thrilled with Happy Paper People's subscription box, using it for backgrounds. But I don't want to waste it all. Like I said, I still have right much in November's and all of December's to use. So what I may do is what I had planned to use, I'll just print it out on printer paper and use it here just to give you an idea of what I was planning, and then do the actual one in a better journal that will hold up better. Okay, I'll be back. Watch for it.